Hi, this is Dave Forrester with Basecamp Trading, and today I want to talk with you about a great question I got in the trading room this morning about energy stocks. So if we take a look at Schlumberger here, we can see that it found some support at the 200-day moving average, also trendline support, and then put in a bullish engulfing candle on the 6th. So before anything happened again in the Strait of Hormuz, it was already bottoming, starting to move up. And then I also tweeted this. So if you don't follow us on Twitter, I posted this yesterday morning before the open. So I posted that the bullish engulfing candle was there. We were finding support at the 200-day. So definitely, check out our Twitter channel. So it's right there, x.com/basecamp trading. Check that out. Also, check out if you go to bctnow.com/join. Just put in that URL, bctnow.com/join. And you can get 30 days of access for just $7. All right, back to the chart. So Schlumberger is following through to the upside nicely right now. Keep in mind they've got earnings coming up when a lot of companies have earnings coming up towards the end of the month. So July 24th, so 2 weeks from Friday. But as long as we continue to find support on crude oil, which you can always take a look at by looking at either WTI. So on Thinkorswim, the symbol is /CL. And a little bit more confirmation on crude oil would be if we were to break the 200-day moving average. We've been above it today, but if we close above it today and stay above it today, then crude should find support here. You can see there's a gap down here, and this is when the Iran war started. I believe it was February 28th, but this is, yeah, it was over the weekend. So this is really the first day on this gap up. You can see we've found some support within that gap, and we're trying to move up. But you can keep an eye on crude oil prices as long as they stay above $70. Then they could continue to work their way higher. And that's one way to offset any type of pullbacks you might be having overall with the market, is to find which sectors are bullish and trade those. That's one of the great things we do in the trading room. So again, I'd encourage you to check out the offer that we've got there, and you can get 30 days in the trading rooms for $7. All right, hope that helped, and keep an eye on energy and Schlumberger.